So just after 7:30 p.m. Saturday night, the Phoenix Convention Center fire alarm system activated. The Convention Center takes these alarms seriously and decided it was necessary to make an orderly evacuation of the building. A technician checked the system along with fire prevention specialists from Phoenix Fire Department. They determined it was a false alarm and there was never an actual emergency. The Phoenix Convention Center made the decision to suspend programming for the rest of the evening as the technical evaluation was completed. We had developed an emergency plan before the event and executed it in a safe fashion. So thank you to police, Phoenix Police and fire departments who aided with the safe evacuation, and a special thanks to all of the attendees who handled the situation very well. After the thorough check of the system last night, Comic Fest will continue as planned today.